Your 2000 to 2006 GMC Yukon or Yukon XL with the 5.3-liter engine needs a clean air filter to run efficiently. A dirty filter restricts airflow, reducing horsepower, acceleration, and fuel economy by potentially up to 10%. Aim to replace the air filter every 15,000 to 30,000 miles or 12 to 24 months. However, visually inspect it regularly. If you drive in dusty conditions, shorten the replacement interval to every 10,000 miles. Some modern scan tools can now read data from intake sensors, alerting you to a clogged filter via codes like P0101. Remember, a clean filter helps maintain the original 285 horsepower and 325 pound-feet of torque of your Yukon's 5.3 engine. Replacing the air filter is a simple DIY task. First, locate the air filter housing, usually a plastic box at the front of the engine bay. Release the clamps or screws, securing the lid. Remove the old filter, noting its orientation. Inspect the housing for debris and clean with compressed air if needed. Install the new filter, ensuring it fits properly and the arrows point toward the engine. Secure the housing lid. Consider cleaning the mass airflow sensor during the replacement process. A test drive will confirm everything is sealed properly. Avoid installing the filter upside down to prevent engine damage. Modern reusable air filters are a growing trend and offer sustainable alternative to standard filters.